I'd like to show you the new filter settings that we have added in JLinks to make things a little bit easier. So to get to your JLinks, just go to Utilities at the top and JLinks Setup. And at the top, you're going to notice a few different features. Now, these are pretty new. You are able to filter by location. So if you are working in multiple locations for your agency, you can very easily switch back and forth to see the JLinks settings on each location. You can now filter by company. So if you want to look at all of the JLinks set up for Inagon National, you can very easily filter out all of the JLinks set up for that particular company. And then if you'd like to see JLinks that are set up for each specific user, instead of having all JLinks for all users show up for you initially, you can now very easily filter between users. So if I want to see the JLinks set up for Jenna, I can do that. If I want to see the JLinks set up just for Caroline, I can do that as well. You can very easily reset your filters. It's going to default back to the location that you are assigned to and your username. So yep, if you have any questions about JLinks, just let us know.